So if you were to take my course, by the end of the 5 days, you will learn how to think differently about our health. There are emotional concerns, there are dysfunctional concerns, there are nutritional issues, there are pH imbalance issues. There are a whole variety of things that you have to consider. And so in biomagnetism, the technique involves energy work. It involves the use of magnets placed on the body to literally move, modify, rebalance the body's energy, specifically the pH, which pH stands for hydrogen potential. At the end of those 5 days, you should be able to go home and practice using magnets on your body in order to either stimulate your immune system or reduce inflammation or provoke certain very specific metabolic changes that will allow your body to kind of get a jump start on your health in different ways, in different organs, in different areas wherever you apply the magnets. I invite you to experience the course with me, and afterwards tell me in your own words what biomagnetism means to you.